So hello and welcome back to coin collecting, and in today's video we have the 100 years of Armistice, the World War I Armistice. And how you can tell it is the First World War, it has 100 years, so you need to turn over the actual coin, and it's dated 2018. What's 100 years ago? That's 1918. And when did the First World War end? 1918. So this is a common commemorative coin, as it is not a scarce coin because a lot of them were minted. So the mintage that we have for the non-C mint mark is 1,658,000. So that makes it a common coin because it's more than 1,500 to 2,000 coins. Then we have the C mint mark. So if you're going to find a C, it's actually beside the 1. So you would see a C stands for Canberra. And there's about 39,274 in coin cards. And you also got P and Cs with C mint marks. And there's about 8,600 of those, and there's 2 different designs. So this coin was designed by Tony Dean, and it's a fairly simple design. So we just have $2 Armistice. So we've got the 11th of the 11th of the 11th. So that is 11th of the 11th. So that's the 11th of November. That's when the armistice took place. And what we have in the center is a poppy. So poppies have 4 leaves. So that's what we have here. And these are petals of the flower. And then we have the stamen in the center. So that would actually be a female flower. Beautiful. And we have the initials of the coin designer. So on the back we just have the Ian Rank Broadley effigy, which is the standard effigy up until 2019. And the milling is 4 serrated. So this is called interrupted milling because we have a big area of plain. And these actually last quite a lot longer. The reeded areas don't last as long. They wear down quite readily. So in this condition, you'll be paying probably about $14, $15 per coin. Now you can get some in lower grades for about $10, but they're well circulated coins. An uncirculated one would cost about $25. If you want to see mint mark, you'd be paying at least $150, $200 for one of those. The P and Cs probably go for quite a lot more, but you can look up sold values on eBay. Anyway, that's quite a nice coin from 2018. Not a common coin you see in circulation because a lot of people do collect them. Anyway, hope this helps you with your coin collecting. Let me know what you think down below, and take care. Thank you and goodbye.